What do you have?
Bracelet.
A new bracelet from Nana? What else do you have on your feet? What are they?
Slippers.
New fancy slippers. Wowee. Can you say thank you to Nana?
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you say I love you? I love you, Nana and Poppy.
Uh-oh. Poppy. Poppy.
Where do you and Nana and Poppy live?
No hostage.
They live in Boston.
Button.
Are you walking around in your slippers? Did you show Teddy your slippers? Oh, did Nana make you a pretty card?
Slippers.
Slippers. Very nice. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.